Hello, welcome to Scrap Time. My name is Christine, and in this video I'm showing you the iCrafter blender brushes as well as the Japanese Kumiko stencil. So this is how the brushes come, but I'm going to open it up. So the brushes are color-coded, so you can have one brush and use it for all your purples, blues, teals, greens, etc. They also stack, so you can store them like that. But this isn't a foam. I want to show you. You can see they're like little bristles. So you don't have to worry about like the foam, how sometimes it gets all like caught up, especially in the stencils. These bristles get nice and close to the design and give you a really nice even surface. So you can see here this stencil has a lot of little lines and details, and when you look at my sample here, it turns out perfectly. I'm going to do it on the page beside just so you could see, but just to show you how like all these sort of just stack up and you can store them like that, and then there's one for every color. So for this, I'm going to use the Distress ink in Kitsch Flamingo. It's one of the newer colors that they've released this year. And I'm just going to do it on this sheet here. This is actually my little journal. I like to do random crafting in it, and all very, I don't want to add dimension because of the type of the pages and the books. So I do just a lot of inking, and then I've been playing with washi tapes. So you can put it on your finger, and then you just get your ink and we work it in there. And of course you can do like really soft if you just want soft, or you can put more pressure to get it nice and dark. It's up to you. I'm going to get into some of these little areas, and you can see in a moment. So because of the individual brushes or bristles, it can get really close to that stencil to give you a great design. So ta-da! You can see how we can see all those lines. Sometimes with foam it won't get into all that little area, and you'll get more white showing, and with the bristles it does exactly what the stencil is designed to look like. So that is the iCrafter blender brushes, and I'm loving this Japanese Kumiko, I think Kumiko stencil. I'm sorry if I pronounced it incorrectly. It's a beautiful design, and you can see here in my final project how pretty it looks as a background, and again with the Kitsch Flamingo ink. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.